Habang ang iba ay nagpabibili ng rosas, kami naman ay gumagawa ng rosas na dessert para sa aming Valentine's Day sa restaurant na ito. Okay, Uchi. And some of them, they're using some for the salad and for other dish. Yeah? And this is the, you know, this is the Salarin, this lady, yeah? He is the create this rosas pandan. Okay? Pink rose. But similar to violet. And then meron din kaming sagu, no? Sa aming menu for tonight. Sagu. And ka lang makakita ng gumagamit kami ng sagu sa international cuisine po kami, guys. See? We have dito po tayo, choose natin yung mga ingredients natin, yeah, guys. Okay, we got here morels, the expensive most expensive fresh morels, expensive mushroom. It's a type of mushroom but very expensive one. Okay, and mamaya, guys, meron kami ditong curry. So almost ready na yung Valentine menu. Inaantay lang namin yung mga guests. Okay, tara na. Ito, guys, ito in dips. Mamaya in dips gagawin namin itong init compe sa side sa aming lobster and wagyu. The lobster and wagyu is very interesting menu. It will be you can amaze when you see the actual dish. So you have to come. And here we are not throwing something. All of the ingredients, all of that other ingredients we are not throwing. This one we give to the biernes. We use for the oil. We use for the biernes. We don't use butter. We have biernes using by the wagyu fat. This wagyu fat. Okay, guys, no? Almost ready. Everything is ready. Okay, see you on Valentine's. Happy Valentine's.